Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be making the viral recipe dirty spaghetti. I have seen it across all my various social media platforms, but to all my viewers I want to say thank you for helping to support the channel, and all my new viewers I want to say welcome, and hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's make dirty spaghetti. For our dirty spaghetti, you're going to need the following: olive oil, onion, bell pepper, garlic, ground beef, Italian sausage, tomato paste, flour, beef broth, spaghetti, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Cajun seasoning. So we have our olive oil heated up over a medium heat or a medium high in a Dutch oven. And to this, we're going to add our onion and bell pepper. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. So this has been going about 5 minutes. So to this, we're adding in our ground beef and our Italian sausage. And I'm going to break it up a bit and I'll throw it in here just to make it a little bit easier to cook. And we're going to cook this down for about, I'd say about 10 minutes or so, until everything is cooked through and through. And as always, I do keep a little bleach towel handy, being I am working with raw meat. All right, so this is broken up nicely. So now we're going to add in our Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and our minced garlic. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute or two till the garlic becomes fragrant. So now that we've cooked this for about a minute, we are going to add in our tomato paste. And we're going to let this cook for, I want to say, about 5 minutes. All right, so now we are going to slowly add in going to add in our flour, and we're going to get all the meat coated. And then we're going to continue to stir this for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so we've been cooking this down for about 3 minutes. So now we're going to slowly start adding in our beef broth or beef stock. And we're going to do this so that way we don't have any lumps. Now that we've got our beef stock all in here, what we're going to do is we're going to lower this down to about a simmer, and we're going to cover this and let this go for about 10 minutes and then check the consistency. All right, so this has been going for a good 10-15 minutes. All right, we're going to give this a good stir. And at this point, we're going to check if it needs any additional salt and pepper. Perfect. So to this, we are going to add in our pre-cooked pasta. Get all of that broken my pasta in half to make it easier to mix in. And so once I get this fully cooked, not cooked, mixed in with my sauce, I'm gonna let this go for another 10 minutes. So our pasta has been sitting in our sauce for about 10 minutes. Grab my pot holder, give this a quick mix. Oh yeah, this looks good, this smells good. So now we're gonna get us a big couple of scoops. Oops, here I am making a mess. And here we go. So now that we've got everything ready to go, so what I want to do is put me a little Parmesan cheese on this, because you can never have too much Parmesan cheese with a spaghetti. So, you know, spaghetti is one of those comfort foods that just seems to work no matter what type of mood you're in. It just seems to hit all the spots. And every now and then you get a recipe like this that just comes out of the blue and changes it up. So let's give this a quick taste test. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. This is definitely worth giving a try. So remember, I want to thank everybody for helping to support my channel. And to all my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And once again, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any recipes like this. And also let me know if you try this recipe by leaving a message in the comments below. So I'm going to finish this up. And everybody, y'all have a good day.